Ka Assam Rifles menta kasni kala ai ya ka jing Pynshai ha ka bayadei bat ka video ka bala Saphriang ha ki Rynsan social media ha ki arsngi bala dep da uwei na ki shipai jongka. La toket ya uni ushipai bat bala Pynshai tamru ya u. Kamat ka bala penpau da uni ushipai kalong ka bam shong nia bat ka bala le tang ban penbut nam ya katanat bat ya ki shipai jongka.
2 days, a video live streamed on Facebook by one of the soldiers of Assam Rifles is being shared on social media with an intent to malign the force. The individual in question is a habitual offender and has been punished for indiscipline and unsoldierly behavior in the past. The issues highlighted by the individual are baseless and have been done with malicious intent towards the organization and its fellow soldiers. Assam Rifles is a responsible organization and has a well-established and time-tested system and procedures for addressing grievances, complaints and concerns of its personals, if any. The instant case of gross indiscipline and unsoldierly conduct by the individual involving inappropriate behavior and damaging of government property will be dealt with as per the laid down procedures, orders and instructions on this subject. Jai.
Minta